Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, in the yesterday's newspaper, not in today's newspaper, but the yesterday's newspaper, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. No, in the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, September the 21st, 2022, I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left: the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with one star. Yeah. I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes. All right. Two stars Sudoku. This will be a number 5216. All right. 5216. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But it's an indication for the difficulty level for the puzzle. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. 26. This one has 26. Yeah, but you cannot always say that the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you need more time to solve. But for a two stars puzzle, I need 15. This is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Which number shall I pick? How about? Uh, Here we have 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Then. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Thinking. 6. Alright. 7, 9. 7. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column, so no 9 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 9 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. The 9 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4, as should be there. 4. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this big square. Yes. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5, 8 should be there. Okay. 6, 4. No. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 4. 4, 4, 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there in the last row. So 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 it goes there. 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. So here we have 9 and 7. So 2 missing numbers in this row. I believe the 5. Yeah, we need a 5. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 is should be here. And the 8 goes there. So no 5 there. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 8. 6, 4, 7. Alright. 9. Thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this third column. So no 2 in these 2. Oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers, not 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the third column. So no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this middle row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. 9. 3, 6, 5. Oh wait, 7. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 it should be there. 5. Okay. And the 6. 1. Thinking. I'm still thinking. 5, 6. 2. 2. Okay. 2 and Wow. 2 missing numbers now in this column. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here. 2 numbers left. 9 and 7, of course. We already have a 7 here. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 9. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and the 8. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3, 3. Okay. 8, 8, yeah. 9, 9. Thinking. Yeah. Come on. 3, 3. And then 9, 7, 7. Still thinking. 2, 2. 2, 2. What's happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Hidden number. This box. Can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Can it be 6? Can it be 7? Can it be an 8? 1 digit left. The 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. 1, 1, okay. 5, 6, and a 7. 7, 6, and a 1. 1, 1. Yeah. 2. Okay. Come on. 3, 3, yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 3. 4, 7. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier. The 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, now only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Here or there. We see an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row. No 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 now in the third row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Can I count? And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. No, 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now I can count. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 4. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1 is missing. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier, the 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. Oh, 2 missing numbers. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. It's definitely a 2 stars. So I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.